Hello, my name is Apollo. I'm going to discuss today about information system, types of information system that are available in uh, the history. So these are the pioneering system, okay? So which actually the end result of system analysis. So let me share now my slides. So here are the types of information system. So number one is business information system. So by the way, what's an information system? These are kind of a system in which one can draw a basic information they need. For example, for decision making, for clarification, for analysis, no? Verification, evaluation, like that. So that's the purpose of information system. These are the decision system support. No? Right. So definition system that integrate information knowledge into business processes to improve performance and decision making. That's the purpose of the system. Without system is very difficult to work in the business because information system you allow the computer to help in the decision. So people will just do the selection. So example, e-commerce system handling product inventory, orders, and customer records. No? So these are information system. You check from them and then you can make decision. No? Example, in the loans, no? You will still identify who are the best customer and then who are the worst customer. And from them, you can make decision. For example, customer relationship management. These are the most important system that ever developed, no? Used in many, almost all businesses. Supply chain integration, so monitoring of the stocks and the inventory. That is decision science for ordering. E-commerce platform. So making the website a shop, no, or a mall, and which when they click, they will learn the information about the product they buy. We have DSS, so this is like linear programming, like non-linear uh, other types of mathematics used in minimization and maximization, used in the decision making, used in the production, quantitative analysis. So example, financial forecasting system that helps managers choose investment portfolio. No? So application of the system is a medical diagnosis system. So the system records the occurrences of a type of disease and then uh, a kind of treatment they did. No? So the system will collate that one and then make a decision. No? Make a comparative, make a what we call correlation. No? And then doctor will just choose the kind of treatment, okay, based from the pattern. Financing, financial modeling tools. No? So which best of investments. No? Marketing campaigns analysis. It yields the number of respondents in a certain region in which determine the supply and demand also. Okay, using the market and the economics. MIS, these are the management information system that provides report summaries middle managers for operational control. Operational control like costs, attendance, budget, so man-machine materials, things like that. No? Sales dashboards that reports daily sales figures across region. Another thing in the information system, how many have been procured, shipped out, system, the cost of the inventory, things like that. No? These are the things that needed for manager to control the operation. Asia reporting. So how many had a layoff, terminated, things. Inventory management. So goods, no, that are there in the stocks and in the market, no? And then one to report which is the fast moving items, slow moving item. So that makes sense, no? That guide the manager in the purchase. Production scheduling. So to align the number of people, calculate the cost. Like that. Okay, strategic executive information system, so more on strategy, no? So providing critical information. So this time it monitors the competitors, the macroeconomic factors, no? The government, the other stakeholders, no? That have impact on the operation. When they move, it will have significant effect on the operation. So what are they, no? So this is a strategic executive information system. What are the best practices, no? What's an effective method? Like, example, executive dashboard that visualize key performance indicator across global branches. No? Example, if we have a multinational operation, you will know. Competitive intelligence, CI. No? So where we are good at compared with uh, our competitors. No? Strategic performance monitoring. So the persons, the people, no? Their output vis-a-vis the uh, salary. Okay? Mergers and acquisition analysis. No? How what are the benefits, no? How does it make sense, no? Okay, office information system enhance communication productivity in office, no? So that there is a good handshaking in the operation. The email system scheduling software like Microsoft, no? So they are actually supporting the CEO effectiveness to be effective. Application document management, for example, people information records, historical video conferencing, the records, the training, like this, workflow of automation. So, for example, AI, TPS, no, this is one of the old system. So, about the system that process records, business transaction in real time, no? Point of sales. So, foreign transaction in the bank also, no? Retail, no? Application billing system, reservation system, collections. This is important in the cash flow, no? Reservation system to to uh, to order the number of resources. So to maximize the resources. Payroll processing. That's important. Expert system. This is an old system already, but now it's improved now. AI-driven system that emulate decision making. Actually, there's already before the AI, there's already system, but it is not automated. Webdomycin for diagnosing bacterial infection. So this is a system. No? The computer will ask you, and then you will answer. Yes, you answer. Then they will diagnose your problem based on your answer. The computer will minimizing the AI will going to answer, no? And then until it run out all the question, and then the program will make a decision. Take this your problem, no? And then if you know this is the problem, no, so there's a recommended medicine, no? And then you have to take on a gradual, step by step by step, no? Then we have a legal advisory. So another thing, no? Because the system will correlate the law. So very important now, very easy now to manage it to find that or my decision is against the law. So the system will that. For example, like now we have the chat GPT, medical diagnosis also. Another application of this one, technical troubleshooting. Yeah. For example, they put now in the AI, if there's a problem, the AI will ask you, then you answer, ask you, and then the program will indicate the reason. Then global information system, support global operation strategy by integrating data across topics. No? So most of the business nowadays, globalization on global. So they have a system, database, no? Oracle, Dr. Edwards, and then their main system across multinational branches for consistent reporting. So the purpose of system actually report, and then the report representing the operation, and then the manager will make decision. So they adjust or improve, expand, retract, compress, like so. Global supply chain management. So where is the movement of flow? No? Okay. Multinational financing reporting, no? Aside from financial reporting, no? Local. Cross-border HR management. So within the different nationality. We have a data warehouse system, no? Critical repositories that integrated data from various sources, no? Optimized for analysis and reporting. retail operation, marketing, finance, no? Usually the best record, no? Logistics, for example. Amazon Redshift use for story cost and behavior. So once you know the behavior, you know the product what you're going to offer. You'll not be further in a way, no? Applications, business intelligence, BI, no? Uh, a system that gives the suggestion, no? Advice, no? Historical trends analysis, you will know if the product we are using, where is it now compared with the existing competitors. So customer of segmentation, so male, female, teenager, uh, like a middle age, middle adult, male, female, something like that. And then for each segment, there is a preferences and then different product. No? So this is vital in the market. We have enterprise system, large scale application that integrate core business process. So SAP Business Suite managing operations across finance, HR. So SAP is manage everything. No? Application, company-wide data sharing, and unified operational processes, integrated reporting. Enterprise ERP, this is now the big software, no? Used to handle the entire operation. We have Oracle, no? ERP, SAP, is another. Accounting, finance, procurement. So this is the purchasing, no? Procurement. Project management. So for a new product development, no? So integrated information system. So all system put it together. No? CRM, ERP, supply chain, something like that. Salesforce. No? So unified custom view application across departmental collaboration and end-to-end automation. So those are the systems that are being used. Actually, these are the product of the system analysis. Okay. So unless you have question, you can tell me in the WhatsApp. Okay. Bye for now.